What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this origami bear trap. So we're going to be starting folding in half. Squeeze it sharply. And now we're going to be folding on this side. Now we're going to be folding this point on this grease. On this grease right there. Now we're going to be repeating on this side, and this side. I'm just gonna adjust this. That should look good. Now we're gonna be folding this edge. You can just fold it like this if you want. I'll just show you how to fold it like that, not so big. Now we're gonna be repeating on this side, this side, this side. It doesn't look that good. Oh, it's okay. So now we should be folding diagonally. Now we're going to be repeating on this side. Oh, just gotta fold it like that and fold this right here. That point. Now let's fold this on this point. You see this pocket? You just have to open it. And squash. Now we're going to be folding this point on this point. Unfold, and you see this crease that we just made? This crease, we gotta fold this edge on this crease. Now we're gonna be folding this point on this point. Like that. Squeeze it as hard as you can. Now we're gonna be repeating on this point, on this side right here. Wait. Now we're going to be folding this edge again on this crease. Fold and unfold that. Now we're going to be repeating on this side. It doesn't matter if you have a crease on the middle or not, you just have to fold this point on this point. Now fold this edge again on this crease. Should look like that when you're done. Now we're gonna be opening this. Now we're just gonna be wait. It should look like this. It was like that before. I just pushed this point to this side. That easy. Now we're almost done. You just have to outside fold. I think I forgot what it was. You just have to crease this crease right here. And now we just gotta outside fold again this crease. And just repeat it on this side,